When dealing with something as stressful and sensitive as family law, you'll want a legal team who really cares about you and your family. At Vasquez de Lara Law Group, they'll be with you every step of the way. Hi, I'm Brittany. It's so nice to meet you.
Hey Brittany, thank you so much for coming by. I'm Vanessa.
Tell me about your practice.
What can I tell you? We're a family law practice and we specialize in divorce, paternity, which is when you have unwed parents. We do post-judgments, which is when parents need to go back to court or people need to go back to court, to family court, after there's a final judgment that something needs to be changed. And anything really family law related, so smaller things like domestic violence or step-parent adoptions.
What inspired you to go into law?
So it's hard to say. It's one of those things that I kind of always thought about when I was in school, when I was younger. It was one of those things that was sort of aspirational, and I actually chose my college based on their marketing materials saying that other pre-law students had gone into law school of their choice. And I was like, that sounds pretty impressive.
So you did your law studies in Miami?
I did. I decided that I really didn't want to go anywhere else. I love Miami. This is where I grew up. UM really has one of the best programs in the country, and definitely in Florida. So I really felt that I needed to do it right here at home where, one of the best schools was at.
Why family law?
One of my first jobs out of law school, once I started doing it, once I saw the effect I could really have on people, once I saw kind of what the reality of family law was like, I really enjoyed it. You really make an immediate difference in people's lives when you're doing family law, whether it's helping them get their kids back, whether it's figuring out a schedule that works for both parents. There's a lot of issues that you are instantly helping people in the real life day-to-day. Helping people is probably what I love the most. I mean, I really enjoy seeing our clients get the results that they need and that they deserve. I was recently at a domestic violence hearing where we were not only able to get an injunction for my client so that her ex-boyfriend had to stay away from her for the next 3 years, but we were able to make sure that her voice was heard. The happiness in her face when we walked out of that court hearing that's kind of like what I think most family attorneys live for, is being able to get your client the justice that they deserve.
I'm the client relations specialist. Technically, I'm the main point of contact of all of our clients, so I talk to them every day, through all the process, through family cases. So I'm the best friend of our clients, kind of. Going through a legal problem, it's already hard, and going through a legal problem with your family, it's even harder. I know that they're going through a hard situation because they're already here, and they reach out to us for a reason. When they leave the office and we close the cases and we're able to resolve the issues that they were having, it feels very satisfying.
With over 16 years of experience, Vanessa Vasquez has the expertise to handle any family law issue or case that you have.